Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a chit chat get ready with me, doing this makeup look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy, so let's get into it. So let's get started. I want to start off by saying I got a new makeup bag for my everyday makeup basket. This has all of my go-to everyday makeup in here, so that is what we will be doing. I will link my October makeup basket up above if you're interested seeing more than what I'm just going to be applying on my face, but pretty much we're just going to go through here, kind of do what I do on an everyday basis. But that Tarte holiday kind of makeup bag broke the other day, so I ordered this on Amazon. I'm obsessed. This is definitely heavy duty. I'll give you guys kind of a little tour of what's in here. The first kind of zip bag has like some big pockets and stuff, so this is like perfect for travel. It has a strap for over the shoulder, but really what I'm using it for on an everyday basis, just at my vanity side, is for kind of the cute little storage right here. All of these like walls are removable. A bunch of them I keep in my vanity just to make more space and room for my palettes in here. And then what's also really nice is in here you can store all of your makeup brushes. I don't know how well you can see that. All of your makeup brushes in there, so it's really nice, awesome for travel. Then I like that they have like these straps to hold in your makeup, but again I just kind of use this for every day and just kind of open it up. It just sits nicely on my vanity, so I know what I'm using. You can make the different compartments and stuff yourself, so that is something new, unexpected. I was going to continue to use my Tarte one, but that one broke, like I said. So I'm going to go in with my eye primer right now. This is the Milani eyeshadow primer in Nude. I am getting really close to being done using this, so I do need to repurchase it, or I can try a new one. Let me know what you have been loving for eye primers down below, but this one is a really great affordable drugstore one that I like to use, but it's not sold at like every drugstore, so maybe next time I go into Target or something I can pick that up. So what I've been using a lot lately is the Essence Which Side eyeshadow palette, and I use this shade Ritual, this matte white all over, to kind of set my eyeshadow as well as kind of brighten up my brow bone. I used to go in with a big shimmery kind of eyeshadow, but I like just the matte whiteness of it, and I do have my mirror over here just so I don't look like a crazy person staring at the viewfinder and not being able to fully put on my makeup. But if you guys haven't been following me this year, I am doing the Panda palette this year, and this year I'm doing the Marc Jacobs Scandalous palette, so I'm going to pull this out next. And I've used quite a bit of these shades up. As you can see, I'll link my update up above for y'all interested in knowing a little bit more, but I'm going in with At the Office and just going in and doing my crease right there. And then doing the other side. I'm really happy that I was able to pick out a smaller palette for this year, just because it's not every day you do a full face of makeup, and these are just less shadows to be stressed out to try and use up during the year. So that's why I've rotated in like my Anastasia Monard Renaissance palette, and I'm using the Which Side now. So with that same brush, I'm actually going in with Scandalous, that hot pink shade, and going right under. And I learned this from one of y'all, my subscribers. I love you guys, and I've been doing this almost every day since she said that, but I've still not hit pan in this thing. So it just shows you a little goes a long way, especially with a hot pink shade. So back in with that Which Side palette, and I like to go first in with Enchanted, the shade right here, and apply it all over. Then I go back in with my Marc Jacobs Scandalous, and I get to that Rust shade they call her. Put that on the middle to outer part of my eye just to give it a little bit more dimension. This is really what I've been doing probably the past couple of weeks, like 1 or 2 weeks now. Kind of always have to change it up depending on like what eyeshadows and stuff have been used up and such. So I'm going in with a fluffy kind of eyeshadow blending brush and just kind of blending that in. And then what I like to do too is top the inner part of the eye. I like to use actually my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter, but lately to keep playing with this one, I'm using Amulette. This shade right here does have some more like kind of chunky glitters in it, but it hasn't been bothering me too much, and it's just a really great kind of topper coat for your eyes. Just right on that inner part. So I like doing this to kind of brighten up the area a little bit. So I'm gonna get a little tissue and just kind of take off any of that excess fallout. I do notice that the Essence palette does have quite a bit of fallout. Okay, then I go in with my face products. So this is my Tarte Maracuja Hydrator Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Light Neutral. This should definitely be done by the end of this month, if not sooner. It is in a, I think it's the Fall For You project pan. I'll link it up above if y'all are interested in seeing this and other products in that project pan. And I have an update, I think, coming up next week. So be sure to subscribe if you want to see kind of how those products are doing. Maybe I'll be able to use this up by then. Who knows? Let me know if you are doing that project pan as well. I know it's a big collab, so it's really fun. But I'm so glad that it's fall time. We've been having really good weather here in North Carolina, and it's just really nice to kind of have a change of seasons. Wear kind of cooler clothes. I love wearing leggings, boots, sweaters, all that kind of stuff. So I'm pretty happy about it. I am disappointed though, our like local pumpkin farm patch thing we've been doing for the past couple of years is closed. So that's kind of a bummer. It's kind of like a tradition breaker, but this year's just been interesting. I hope you guys are still hanging in there and doing well. So then I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. Y'all know I've been loving this, using this up, and this is going to be posted on too. And I have a backup of it, and I was debating on pulling that out from my makeup basket, but I think I should try and use the other concealers up before pulling this one. And if I have like an actual like big date or something, I really want a concealer to last or stay on and stuff. Oh, it's blowing it. I will go to this one, but this is definitely my go-to, and I do still have like my Maybelline Instant Ager line in the car, and I'll use that if I don't want to look dead, run out of the house kind of thing, and just want to look more awake. So I'm also going to take that around the nose, and then just use a tissue to wipe it off the back of your hand, and it's all good. So I'm actually going to go in with the Kat Von D. This is the Brightening powder and Petal, and I don't think they sell this anymore. I'm going with this Miss Glam brush and just kind of go right underneath my eye and set it that way. This just kind of helps brighten underneath your eye with kind of the pale pink, peachy pinkness of it. And I really like this powder, but like I said, I don't think it's sold anymore. So if you guys use a different under eye powder that's similar, let me know. I will say I think I like it for how fine it is and stuff to set the under eyes, but it's just so messy for a loose powder. So let me know if you guys set your under eyes with any particular powder. And then every day, you guys know I use my Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. And I have a new one, so I'm excited about that. Blush, my Essence Mosaic Blush, All You Need Is Pink. Y'all are probably so sick of me using this, but I am definitely getting close to finishing it soon. And I would totally repurchase this. Lasts throughout the day. The shade is just really pretty. Highlight, my Becca palette has Champagne Pop that I have already hit pan on. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And then we're going to finish up on the eyes and then we'll move on to the lips. So this is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Liner. I have tested this liner against so many other liquid liners here on my channel. I'll go ahead and link my makeup reviews playlist up above if you're interested. And it's always ends up being something to do with this inner part of my eyes. The Stila one lasts so much better and does not smudge as bad as some of the other ones. I will say too, I have a couple other ones. Let me know which one you want me to try it up against. Do you want the L'Oreal one or the Kat Von D tattoo liner? Let me know down below which one you'd like me to battle out versus the Stila liquid liner next. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. And what's funny is in the beginning of using the Essence Bye Bye Panda Eyes, which I am using as my mascara, I wasn't a huge fan of it, but as it's been drying out and the more I've been using it, I really like it, a lot. I've also noticed some of those harder days when some tears may be shed, that this pretty much still is on my lashes by the end of the day. So I recommend you guys check this out. I don't think it's 100% waterproof or anything like that. I don't believe it even claims that it is, but it's been pretty nice. I've been really happy with this mascara. I like a lot of Essence mascaras though. This one's really nice. Going into brows, I have the Winkylux Unibrow. And just kind of put it through my brows. Just lightly, pretty fast, nothing too crazy. I don't want to build them up too much, just kind of fill them in a little bit. And I really like their brow brush. Just kind of tame everything. I definitely need to trim and pluck a couple of my brows, y'all may see. So lippies, kind of neutral all over. I'm thinking of going red. Let's go red. This is Bite Beauty Maple. Gotta do the finger trick so don't get on your teeth later. And there you go. So that is my makeup look for today. Let me know what makeup you've been loving in the comments down below. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like